Are you tired of that spaghetti mess that Ford left us underneath the hood of the Ford Bronco? Well, stick around. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Tim here, overlanding for fun and 1986 Liberty Valley Hacky Sack champ. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and install the engine cover for the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine from our friends over at JCR Offroad. Now JCR Offroad also makes a version for the 2.3 liter, and I'm going to put links to both those down in the description below. Now this is not a sponsored video, but I tell you, I've got several of the JCR Offroad products on my Bronco, and I like them a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the box open, see what we got in the kit, and get it installed. All right, so as you can see, it comes in a pretty decent sized box. It's not too heavy. So pretty nice looking unit. What it'll do is it'll sit down on the top. There's 3 mounting points, and we'll have brackets that will mount into pre-existing spots already on the engine block. So this is a no drill, no modification type install. So we have the 3 mounting brackets. Of course, stickers, very important. And the mounting hardware that we'll need. So now that we know what we got in the kit, let's go ahead and get the Bronco turned around, get the hood up, and let's get this installed. So as you can see, the engine cover from JCR Offroad sure does make this thing look a lot better and hides that spaghetti mess that Ford left us. So if you like this content, please leave a like down below. Make sure you share this content with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And one thing, if you hadn't noticed, I'm not fighting around the prop arm here. I do have a set of IAG hood struts installed. And if you're interested in that video, please check it out here. Otherwise, hopefully one day we'll catch you on the trail. Tim out.